How to change iPhone notification sounds. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Sounds and Haptics. Now from this page, you are able to change notification for the ringtone, text tone, voicemail, and all the other options given over here. All you have to do is launch it. Then from the list of the options, you can select any of it. Just click on it and the selected ringtone will be set. Also, you can enable or disable haptics. By following the same process, you can easily change notification sound for other options as well. In case you want to change notification sound of a specific app, what you have to do is scroll all the way down, navigate to the option apps, launch it. Now head towards the specific app, head towards the option notifications. Make sure you have enabled for the option allow notification. Scrolling down, you're going to find the option sounds, enable for that option. Within this page, you will get the option to change the sounds. You will need to click on it and select your preferred sound. So this way you can easily change iPhone notification sounds. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.